What is MutationObserver's role in dynamic JavaScript DOM changes? Imagine you're watching a web page that keeps changing without you clicking anything. How does your code know when new elements appear or disappear? That's where MutationObserver comes in. It is a built-in JavaScript tool that helps you keep an eye on changes happening inside the document object model, which is the way web pages are structured. When a web page updates dynamically, like adding new buttons or changing text, MutationObserver can detect these changes automatically. This saves you from constantly checking the page with slow and inefficient methods. You start by creating an observer instance and giving it a function to run whenever changes happen. This function gets called with a list of records that tell you what exactly changed. You can tell the observer what to watch for by setting options. For example, you can watch if child elements are added or removed, if attributes of an element change, or if the text inside a node updates. If you want to watch everything inside a specific part of the page, you can set the subtree option to true. This way, the observer keeps track of all changes happening within that section and its children. Once you set up the observer, it works asynchronously, meaning it reports changes after they happen rather than interrupting the page. This makes it faster and more efficient than older methods that relied on constantly checking the DOM. When a change occurs, the callback function receives a list of mutation record objects. These objects give details about what was added, removed, or changed. You can then use this information to update your user interface or run other scripts. In web development, MutationObserver is especially useful when working with third-party libraries that modify the DOM without giving you direct events. It helps you react to those changes smoothly. For example, if a script adds new items to a list, your code can detect this and automatically attach event listeners or update other parts of the page. It is also great for building custom components that need to respond to changes in their children or attributes. In the context of selecting elements, MutationObserver can watch specific nodes for changes. If you add a new button or change a class, you can set the observer to notice and react. This makes your web pages more interactive and responsive. It is a modern alternative to older mutation events that were less efficient and harder to control. To sum up, MutationObserver plays a vital role in managing dynamic JavaScript DOM changes. It monitors specific parts of the page for changes, reports them in batches, and helps you write reactive code. This makes your web applications more efficient and capable of handling real-time updates. Mastering this tool is essential for anyone looking to build modern, interactive websites that adapt seamlessly to user actions and content updates.